How to delete history from Play Store. Hey guys, how are you? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I show you how to delete the Play Store history. Guys, quick and very easy process. So let's go. First step is for you to enter the Play Store. Then you will click on your profile picture up here. Then guys, you're going to click here on Settings down here. Here, guys, you will click on the general option, the first option, and then you will click here on the second option, account and device preferences. Then, guys, you will click here on clear the search history of the device. It's going to click and it's going to click here to clear the history. And that's it, guys. Your search history has been removed. Quick and easy. Did you succeed? Put it below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll stop here, guys. Big hug. Stay with God. Thanks.